Hey gang, this is Randy with an old dog sharing some tricks. We had some snow the past few days up here in Post Falls, Idaho, and I just wanted to share that my reinforced Harbor Freight uh, portable garage survived. Um, the carport next to it had about as much snow as the van has on it. It's 36 degrees today. It's been melting. Yesterday when it was coming down, the snow was really coming down. I took my broom and I swept most of the snow off of the Harbor Freight. I didn't want it to collapse naturally. So I just wanted to show you folks. I know there's a few other videos out there that show reinforcements, but I hope it's not too dark. Anyway, everything's holding up as I had hoped. Now, had I planned, if this were my property and I planned on staying here, I don't know, maybe or maybe not, I would have built one of these things. However, I'm very pleased that it held up. So that's it for now. And I got this idea from a guy on YouTube. And what a great idea that is. Because I've seen where they've collapsed under the weight of snow. And I don't have his name. His accent sounded as though it was from back east somewhere, but my hat's off to him. So hopefully we can help one another through this YouTube thing. And subscribe if you would. I'm just trying to figure out how to edit at this point and supplement Social Security. All right. New Year's right around the corner, so be safe. Take a taxi, a cab. Don't drink and drive. You may hurt yourself, someone else. And if you get popped for a DWI, a DWI, DUI, whatever you call them these days, I'll tell you what, dig deep in your checkbook because it's going to cost you at least 10,000 bucks. And by the way, Canada won't let you in back into their country unless you pay anywhere from $500 to a couple $2,500, and non-refundable, and they may or may not let you come in after you've applied. There you go. Happy New Year, gang.